Hi students, in this class we are going to see example 3.44 graph. Draw the graph of y equal to 5x, y equal to 5x. So in this graph, first we want to frame the table to draw the graph. So let's see how to frame the tables. If y value, first we give x value, then y value. Y value means y 5 into x. If I give x value is minus 2, x value minus 2, y equal to 5 into minus 2. So 5 2s are 10, minus 10. If I give x value minus 1, y equal to 5 into minus 1 equal to minus 5. If I give x value 0, y equal to 5 into 0 equal to 0. If I give x value 1, then y equal to 5 into 1 equal to 5 ones are 5. If I give x value 2, y equal to 5 into 2 equal to 10. So next frame the table with using the given value y equal to 5x. So this is the table. So based on this table we are going to plot the points. Okay. So in the graph, first we decide the scale. So scale, x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units, because in x maximum value is 2 only. So here also we take 2. If x value 2, y value is 10. This one you should write in that pencil only, because that's a rough work. No need to write in a pen. So we need this table only. Okay, with using of the table only we are going to draw the graph. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to, so we have y axis maximum value 10, so we can write, we take only 1 unit, so 1 unit. So next we are going to draw the table, draw the graph based on the table. Y axis x axis. So we need 10 points in y axis. So I extend the line because we need 10 points. So I extend the line. So this is x axis, x dash, y, y dash. So here origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11. Okay, so next we are going to plot the points. So x value minus 2, x value minus 2 is here in x axis minus 2, and y value minus 10. So minus 10 in bottom, the two line intersect this point, so this point is minus 2 comma minus 10. You should write the point also. Next minus 1 minus 5, x value minus 1, y value minus 5, minus 1 minus 5 here, so minus 1 minus 5. Okay, next 0 comma 0, x value 0, y value 0. Next x value 1, y value plus 5, 1 comma 5. Next x value 2, y value 10. So here x value 2, y value 10. So next with using scale we are going to join the points to draw the straight line through all the points. So this line is y equal to 5x. So first example 3.44, draw the graph of y equal to 5x. So I take minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 general points. If you want to take minus 3 also correct up to 3. So this is a easy method. You take minus 2 to plus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Then y value is x value 2, y value minus 10, x value minus 1, y value minus 5, x value 0, y value 0, x value 1, y value 5, x value 2, y value 10. So next I draw the x axis and y axis. Before that entering the measurements, we should decide the scale first. So x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Because the highest value of x axis y axis is 10 and 2 only, so we need to take 1 units. Next I draw the x axis and y axis. So first point minus 2 plus minus 10. Next minus 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5, 2 comma 10. So I join all the points through the line. So this line is equation y equal to 5x line. Okay, so this is the answer for 3.44.